I am pleased to inform you that Weaving Dreams is organizing a debate competition part 2. The debate will provide a unique opportunity to measure the budding professional knowledge and awareness level on the topic. Moving towards digitalization. Are we ready? Now, I will be describing you all the details about the competition. We invite you to register for the same. Theme for the competition is Moving Towards Digitalization. Are we ready? The registration fee per participant is Rs 100. The age eligibility for the competition is 14 years to 23 years. The last date of the registration is 6 July 2020. E-certificates would be provided to all the participants of the competition. The language for the competition is English with the use of Hindi or Punjabi language to stress certain points. The tentative date for the debate competition would be 3rd week of July 2020. The speakers need to mail the following details at the mail ID debatewd@gmail.com. Speaker for the motion has to submit the name, picture, class, copy of school or college I-card where presently studying. Speaker against the motion also has to submit the name, picture, class, copy of school or college I-card where presently studying. Interjector has also submit the name, picture, class, copy of the school or college ID card where presently studying. Students registering may be from same education institution or different. Every speaker would be given 3 minutes to speak. A warning bell would be rung after 2.5 minutes. Extra time taken would amount to negative marking. Paper reading is strictly not allowed. Any use of abusive language would amount to disqualification. The participants will be judged on the following criteria. The points for content is 10. The points for the structure of debate is 10. The presentation style of the debate is 10. And the rebuttal is 10 points. After every speaker finishes his or her debate, 2 minutes shall be allotted for rebuttal. Only the interjector from the other team would be allowed to put the questions. The one raising the hand first shall get the opportunity. One interjector gets only 2 chances of questioning. This shall be on the first come, first served basis. The speaker must answer the questions without consulting his colleague. No cross-questioning is allowed. Organizers can make changes in the rule at any stage, seeing the current situation. If no question is asked within 20 seconds, then the speaker gets full 10 marks in the rebuttal round. No new constructive arguments may be introduced in the rebuttal period. Decision of the judges shall be final and binding. The winner in the preliminary round gets the opportunity to participate in the next level. The winner may also be invited to the Weaving Dreams online talk show. The winner team gets a beautiful trophy from the Weaving Dreams.